Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard on your ZTE Android TV box. First of all, you'll need to go to the Google Play Store. In Google Play Store, you'll actually need to find the keyboard that you'd like to install. If you know a name of a keyboard app for TVs, then you can find it here by the name. I'll just search for keyboard. I'll select speak to search and I'll say keyboard. Keyboard. Okay, now it has found some. Let's maybe select this one. Now let's install it. Now I'm gonna wait a moment until it finishes installing and we'll see. Let's open it. Now you can do different things here. Of course, different apps will work basically differently, but yeah, now I have it installed. I don't really need to do anything here. I'll just select the layout because of how this app works. Select English layout. There are also different themes that you can set, but it doesn't really matter. We need to change the keyboard now in settings. To do it, simply click on the settings button on your remote, and then go to device preferences, go to keyboard, current keyboard, and you can see I don't really have it here. Let's go to manage keyboards. You'll need to enable the keyboard that you want to enable. Now let's go back, let's go to current keyboard, let's switch it to the one that you want to set, and let's try going to, for example, Play Store to see how this keyboard looks like now. And this is how it looks actually. And yeah, that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.